WVI operates in the frequencies between 860 and 866 megahertz. W59AA operates in the frequencies between 740 and 746 megahertz, as authorized by the Federal Communications Commission. All of today's programs are intended primarily for home reception. Any other use may not be made without the permission of Viacom Broadcasting Incorporated. Now, stay tuned for Hartford County's first television station, WVIT, and its translator stations in Torrington and West Haven, Connecticut. This map shows the areas in Connecticut served by radio stations in the emergency broadcast system. Stations in these areas will carry messages from the President, the Governor, and your local chief executives. They'll announce the areas they serve, but not their call letters. Learn what area you're in and be ready to listen in the event of a national emergency.
This is Consultation.